My Corolla started making a bad grinding sound. Okay, what is that sound? Okay, that doesn't sound good. So I have to pull over real quick to check that out. So I decided to do the brakes myself for the first time. But here's the problem. One mistake which I made the whole thing worse. Well, it's raining, but we have to check this out real quick. Okay, this is not looking good. There's a lot of brown dust. You can call it brake dust if you want, but it's a lot more than any other side on the wheels. I can see this side is a little bit more cleaner and the back too is a little bit more cleaner. But this side looks so terrible. So I don't know what is wrong right now. All I can think of it's wrong is that it might be something with the brakes, but we won't know until we check it out. I'm thinking maybe the brake parts, because that sounds like a grinding sound, which is metal on metal. So we're gonna go home right now and see what we can do with that, and hopefully we can fix it. What now says this car has the best sounding exhaust on this app. Like, you can't tell me otherwise. Okay, so we are back now. So we're about to jack up the car and see what's wrong. We don't have jack stands, so yeah, pray for me. Okay, so now it is out. You just have to take two bolts out from the caliper. Then that's the caliper right there. So we're gonna inspect the brakes now, which it's not looking good already. Okay, so this is the front brake, and that's terrible. That's all the way down to the metal. Like, that's crazy. This is what the brake pads from the back look like also. Like, look how bad that is. That's crazy. But that's insane. So the brake pads and rotors are gone. So we're gonna order the parts right now. So I'll see you guys when the parts arrive. Okay, so the parts just arrived, and I'm with my good friend here, Hash. So we're gonna both try and fix this. Just in comparison, look how the new one looks and look how the old one looks. Like, that's actually crazy. Look how much we had gone from this one just in 8 months. There we go, bro. There we go, bro. Okay, so we just got out the old rotors, and now we're about to replace it with the new ones and the new pads. But basically now you want to do the same thing we did with the other wheel and do the same to this wheel side also. You just want to take, I think it's 2 bolts to take out the brake pads, and then the other 2 bolts at the back to take out the calipers, so the rotors can come out, and then you replace that. Out with the old ones and in with the new ones in 3, 2, 1. In with the new. Alright, Matt, let's stop there. This looks like I got it all done, but that's a lie. Everything was going fine until we made one mistake. This was my first time doing brakes, and we pressed the brakes while the caliper was off. The piston came out, brake fluid leaked, and a simple brake job instantly got worse. That is when I realized this was no longer a basic brake swap. So I ended up putting everything together, cause it will need a brake bleed and new calipers. And I am not about to do a brake bleed in this winter with no garage. Who do you think I am? Then I took it to a mechanic shop with the handbrakes. Right now, look, I'm pressing the brakes. Car is not stopping. I'm driving right now to the mechanic with hand brakes alone. But if you want your own Max brakes, you can go check them out and get yours right now. And they also have carbon brakes, so go check them out. I'll leave a link down in the description. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.